Hello and welcome to NextWorldCommunications. In this quick tutorial, we're going to show you how to run an X-out and a Z-out in LIVEPOS360 so you can properly manage your daily sales reports and reconcile your cash drawer the right way. You should always run the X-out first before running the Z-out. The X-out is used to reconcile your cash drawer, and the Z-out is used to close your store for the day. First, in LIVEPOS360 dashboard, go to the top menu and in the top left-hand corner, click on File. Next, click on Close Terminal/Reconcile Cash Drawer. Now, LIVEPOS360 will ask you to account for all of the cash currently inside the drawer. At this point, count all the cash in your cash drawer carefully and then enter the cash amounts into the correct sections on the screen. Once you have entered all the cash values and verified everything is correct, press OK to complete the X-out process. After pressing OK, your printer should print out a receipt with the details of the X-out report so you can keep it for your records. And that's it. You have successfully completed the X-out in LIVEPOS360. Now that your cash drawer has been reconciled, the next step is to run your Z-out, which is used to close the store. Again, go to the top menu and in the top left-hand corner, click on File. Then click on Close Store. Once you confirm this step, LIVEPOS360 will complete the process and your store will be officially closed for the day. After confirming, your printer should print out a receipt with the details of the Z-out report so you can save it for your daily closing records. And that's how simple and easy it is to run a Z-out. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you have any questions or need help using LIVEPOS360, our team is here to support you. Find out how your business can start using LIVEPOS360 by calling our office. We offer free equipment and free training to help you get started smoothly. Visit us online at NextWorldCommunications.com for more information. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Feel free to contact us anytime at 877-331-0757, extension 1 to speak with our sales department, or extension 2 to reach our operator. And don't forget to follow up on social media for updates, tips, and new updates from NextWorldCommunications.